Florida, Miccosukee Athletic Commission Promoter Bond. What is Florida Miccosukee Athletic Commission Promoter Bond? The Florida Miccosukee Athletic Commission Promoter Bond is a type of surety bond required for promoters organizing professional or amateur combat sports events regulated by the Miccosukee Athletic Commission in Florida. It guarantees that the promoter will follow all applicable rules, pay all required fees, and uphold contractual obligations related to the event. The bond provides financial protection to athletes, officials, and the commission if the promoter fails to meet their responsibilities. Why is Florida Miccosukee Athletic Commission Promoter Bond required? This bond is required to ensure promoters comply with the Miccosukee Athletic Commission's regulations and Florida state laws governing combat sports. It helps protect participants, officials, and the commission from financial losses resulting from unpaid fees, prize money, or violations of event regulations. Essentially, it enforces trust and accountability, ensuring events are conducted fairly and professionally. How Florida Miccosukee Athletic Commission Promoter Bond work? The bond involves three parties: the promoter, the surety company, and the Miccosukee Athletic Commission. If the promoter violates regulations or fails to pay obligations, a claim can be filed against the bond, and the surety may compensate affected parties up to the bond amount. The promoter is then legally required to reimburse the surety for any claim payments made. To know more, please visit swiftbonds.com.